Mga bye. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing the chopstick challenge. This is Miss Tisa challenged me to do the chopstick challenge. I accept this challenge from her. So I'm gonna do it, but first I have to do the tutorial. So here's my chopstick. I have a new one. So this is how I do a tutorial one. So I grab one of them, put it in two of these fingers. I put the chopstick in there. In my thumb, it's gonna hold the chopstick. And the other one is I'm gonna put it in the. Okay, in a minute, guys. Of them, I'm gonna put it like over in the middle of this thing, of the ring finger. And my thumb is gonna hold both of the chopstick. I call it stick, but it's a stick. Okay. So this is how I use my chopstick. So these two fingers in the front, you need to use it to move the chopstick, so you can grab your food. So I'm gonna do a practice one so you can see. So I'm gonna grab one. I grab one of them. This pink cereal right over here, and that's how you do it. I'm gonna practice. Keep going. I didn't use a peanut because I don't have any peanuts, so I use my cereal, pink cereal. Tisa T. Here I go. Challenge accepted. Shout out to you. So yeah. I'm gonna keep going so I can get more. Oh, and there's a marshmallow one. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna put it in my mouth. It's kind of a hard one. You have to be careful and steady. You have to practice every day so you can. Got it. It's good. If you're interested in watching me doing the chopstick challenge, guys, keep watching until the end so you can. God, I'm kind of shaking now, guys. Look at it. Yeah. So, guys, I learned how to use chopsticks when I was 3rd grade in the Philippines. So now we're gonna go here from the noodles chow mein. So let's get started. So I'm gonna put this thing in the side. The cereal thingies. And now I just need to show you this one. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna put it here. Now I'm gonna open it. Now I'm gonna mix it. It looks so good, guys. This is gonna take a long time. Of how I mix it is because I put this thing like a sword, and then you put it up, up, up. This is gonna take a long time to mix. If you still don't know how to use a chopstick, you just need to do this. swirl it, swirl it.
Ma.
So good. It's almost done. I think the vegetables like in the bottom, guys. It's hard to get. Here we go, guys. We're gonna eat the chow mein noodles. Wish me luck. Using the chopstick. Look at it, guys. It's like kind of soggy. Oh my god. Yum.
Nom. Nine.
I show you doing Laura. Auntie Jalen's sister. Okay. It's kind of like slippery. Comment down below, guys, if you taste chow mein noodle. And now I'm gonna shout out Allison Star, my best friend. Now I'm gonna start eating them. Okay, so here, guys. So good. Now I have my water over here and my straw. I have this like strawberry thing over here. I'm gonna take one pieces of the cereal thing. There's little one in here. Now I'm gonna go back to my noodle. Ooh. Kind of hard to take them out because it's slippery. Look at it, guys. There's carrots in it. Carrot. Mine can't see it because it's far away. If it's too long, I always like grip the last one. So
Oh.
a bit water. My jacket is just kind of little thingies on it. Chinese thingy. Language. Comment down below, guys, if you kind of speak Chinese. Now, I'm gonna shout out Koi Koi Ko and me. I'm gonna go back again, but first I'm gonna do the cereal pink thingy. See? I always be careful of little thingies to eat, because it might slip in your chopsticks. Okay, guys, it's almost done. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna song today. And do you remember this, guys? I made a haul of this one. It's about the strawberry cereal. It's almost done, guys. A little bit more. You might can't see anything, but yeah. It's kind of no. It's just the plastic thingies. They're plastic. So yeah. The napkin. And I'm done with my noodles. So guys, I'm gonna close this video. I hope you like this video, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new, my name is Ashley, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified if I post new videos. Thank you guys for watching.